In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads account without a campaign. This is perfect if you want to access the dashboard, set up billing, link tools like analytics, or explore features before launching ads. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you don't get forced into creating a campaign. Start by opening your browser and going to ads.google.com. Click Start Now and sign in with your Google account. After you sign in, Google usually tries to guide you into creating a smart campaign right away. Instead of following that prompt, look for the small link that says Switch to Expert Mode, usually at the bottom of the screen, and click it. Expert Mode gives you full control and lets you bypass campaign creation. On the next screen, you'll see options to create a campaign. Ignore those and find the link that says Create an account without a campaign. Click that. You'll be taken to a quick setup page asking for your business information. Confirm your billing country, time zone, and the currency you want to use. Choose carefully here. Time zone and currency are very hard to change later and can affect how your reports and budgets are shown. When you're confident everything looks right, click Submit. You'll land in your Google Ads dashboard with no campaigns created, which is exactly what we want. From here, you can explore the interface safely. A helpful next step, though still optional at this stage, is to add your billing details so you're ready to go when you want to run ads. To do that, click the Tools icon at the top. Go to Billing, then Settings, and add your payment method and business address. Make sure the legal name and address match your payment instrument to avoid verification issues. While you're here, consider checking a few account settings. Under Tools and Settings, open Preferences and ensure auto-tagging is on, so conversions and analytics data flow correctly later. In linked accounts, you can connect Google Analytics, Search Console, or Merchant Center if you use them. These links don't launch ads, they just prepare your account. If you don't see the Expert Mode or create an account without a campaign links, try scrolling to the bottom, reducing your browser zoom, switching your language to English, or opening an incognito window. Clearing cookies can also help. That's it. Your Google Ads account is now created without a campaign, ready for you to configure and explore at your own pace. When you're ready to advertise, you can return and build a campaign with full control.